Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I wanna share tutorial how to use tracking element feature on CapCut, which allow you to add sticker and text that stick to an object in your video. This is a result. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut with the video that you want to use for the tracking feature. Now add the text or sticker or object that you want to use. Move the text to the position that you want. And set the text until the end of the video. This is how it looks before we use the tracking feature. To use the tracking feature, you can just go to the part where you want to start and then click the text and click a tracking icon at the bottom in here. And then move the yellow circle to the object that you want to track. You can always adjust it if you want. And then click the blue tracking button at the bottom, in here. And then please waiting. So this is how it looks after we use the tracking feature, and then you can use the tracking feature for more than one element. You just click on text or sticker to add the second layer and just do the exact step as before. Okay, now you can export the video. That's the step on how to use tracking feature on CapCut. Okay guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy editing guys, bye bye.